Hey, good day to you. This is Rian, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar on the daily chart. What we can see over here is the market have a bullish run, consolidation break and close above the high, and obviously over here it has a retracement back to, although it break and close below the low over here, and it does break and close below the low. However, for pound, I'm rooting towards the upside. Because of the recent no Brexit deal at this moment, and they have not set any other dates. It might just be a good news for UK. This is pretty much really depends how the market react to it. So for this Brexit deal, if you want to be more certain in trading, then short the euro, leave the pound aside, and observe how the market is react to it and get in on the second chance. Down to the 4-hour chart, can see that although it created a new low, it didn't break above the high only until like 9th of October. All right, it seems like a very strong bullish trend. The only thing that you need to do is to break and close above 1.3086 again before the next retracement for a confirmation bullish trend. Aggressive trader, you can hit in for aggressive long. Stops have to go below this price, 1.2844. All right, down to the 1-hour chart, this is what we get. Previous high, previous low. Alert have been set, waiting for trading opportunity at this region. All right, and this is quite an important area to look into. It's a good 100 pips. All right, so if the market came back down and it does give an opportunity to long, why not, right? All right, so back to the daily. Let me share a few my analysis over here. For pound, I have a bias of buying. Okay, of course, a more certain one is selling the euro. Okay, so you can see that both lines are in blue. If the market break and close above the high, I'm going to buy. If it retests on the supports, I'm going to buy. All right, for our charts, what do we have over here? Okay, a trend line that was broken, but if you look closely, this is the additional line that has been plotted. This line, or rather this low, have to be broken before to say that this support is not strong. You have to know your currency well, because some currency pairs, they just a bit more whipsawy than others. Okay, so having this kind of situation is normal. That's where certain pairs, your stops have to go below even the previous level, instead of just following your very strict rules. On the 1-hour chart, what do we have over here? A bullish shark pattern that has really hit both targets, came back down and retest the previous region. So let's see if it can settle down at this level. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, that support line. Okay, this is the alert for us. Okay, if it happens and it managed to settle down over here, now heading for a buying opportunity. That's pretty much I have for you today. If you love to get into our community, just scan this QR code over here, and you'll be led on to our website, where you get to, key in your details and, engage in our conversation. Let me show you. So over here, after you have logged in, there's a chat room over here. You can discuss your studies with us or your analysis with us over here. Scroll down further, you get to see these trading course for beginners, and this is for you to really access more trading contents. And further down, if you're already a member, then you get to access our trade ideas as well. Okay, so that's pretty much I have for you. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade well. See you soon.